everyone, we are here in the Ashokan garden. Have you all been out in your garden lately? I'm going to give you a quick tour about what we got going on here and what's been growing. So over here is our wonderful cucumber bed, and you may be wondering, what is this weird contraption? Well, as the growing season progresses, some of your plants might need a little bit of support as they grow. Our cucumbers need this, it's called a trellis, and you see these little tendrils that are starting to grow off of the cucumber. Those are going to grow up our trellis and help support the plant. Can you all think of any other plants that might need a little support? What about these guys right here? These are our tomatoes, and they are in a tomato cage. Again, this is just to support the plant so the fruit that's starting to grow isn't hanging on the ground. Tomatoes can also get pretty heavy, so we don't want them to fall over. When it comes to trellises or tomato cages, you can buy them at the store, like we did with these, or you can do a DIY like we did with the cucumbers. Other things we have going on here is our Calendula plant, and this is a great pollinator. You can also harvest it for different medicinal purposes, but something that you want to keep in mind for calendula and other flowers is that you want to pick off the dead flowers. When you pick off the dead flowers, that's going to promote new growth, and we want our plants to be big and full and beautiful. Right here, I'm standing next to our giant zucchini plants, and as you can see, they're starting to get some flowers and some zucchinis right down there. And I think they've gotten this big because the last week and a half we've been so lucky and it's been raining almost every day. But if you're not getting rain like we are, remember you want to get out into your garden every day, do some watering, especially in the summer when it's really hot. And if you can, do the watering in the morning and in the evening so you don't get the leaves wet and scorch them with the sun. Just a little tip. Thanks for following me for an update in the Ashokan garden. We hope that your garden is flourishing just like ours. We're going to film a couple things that are growing. If you want, post below with what you've got going on in your garden. Hope to see you soon.
Awful nice.